How to find your radio ID for SiriusXM radio device. First, power on your car's SiriusXM radio or your portable SiriusXM receiver. Then tune to channel 0 or channel 1. Most Sirius devices display the radio ID on these channels. Then locate the radio ID on screen. Look carefully for the screen or display. The radio is a unique code made up of 6 or 8 characters, usually a mix of letters and numbers. For example, this or this. Write down this code exactly as shown. An alternative way is to check your device's settings. The device has a menu or settings button. Press it. Navigate to About, Device Info, or Radio ID section. Your radio ID will be listed there. Then you'll need to find radio ID in your SiriusXM account. This is optional, but it's also recommended. So first log into your account at this right here. Go to My Account, Radio IDs, or Devices. Your registered devices and their radio's IDs will be displayed. Then use the radio ID for activation or support. Keep your radio ID handy to activate your SiriusXM subscription at this right here. Troubleshoot or contact SiriusXM customer service. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe. But for now, goodbye.